Okay, we're gonna do another core exercise. We're gonna get down on both knees and we're gonna use our strength mounts, which are above our heads. We're gonna go back onto our Stay Sharp yoga mat, bringing our hands towards our heads. We're gonna bend our elbows and we're gonna crunch down and come back up. You wanna engage your core and crunch through your center and try not to hinge back too far here. I'm gonna do 10 as well. All right, congratulations, you just worked your upper and your lower abs.